back to school box here today, and let's see what's in. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Get Schooled with Sally and Ace the Look. All kinds of fun products in here, and even a little journal. Cute. My favorite, a mini straightener. You can use that in between anything, traveling, classes, all kinds of good stuff. Lunch break, fix your hair up. We also have a heat activated temporary color that is vegan, shifts from blue to teal. So we'll probably end up over here with my hair. This is called Split Decision by Beyond the Zone. We also have some fun nails because who has time to get their nails done anymore? Professional Gel Nail Kit. Let's see, what's this? Some Morgan Taylor Professional Nail Color. So we have probably 6 colors in here. This is Generic Volume Products, Volumizing Concentrate from Aveda. Creates volume for and shine. An Ion Smooth Solution. It's a smoothing foam. Let's see, what else do we have? Coconut oil conditioner and a moisture and nourishing shampoo. It's a great little duo. And finally, we got this one in here. Let's see what he is. United We Curl. I'm gonna say this one's probably not the best for my hair, but I will definitely be gifting this to one of my curly haired friends.